Good morning, everybody. I thought that this would actually make a half decent video, so I figured I'll bring you guys along. That, and I haven't really posted too much of anything right now, and I'll get into that later. But I'm gonna do a beef stew for supper, or not a stew, sorry, beef soup for supper tonight. So I just seared off my stewing meat. If I remember correctly, it's about a pound worth. Normally I prefer to use half a pound, but I forgot to break stuff up better than I did. So I have, oh, that's a little warm. Let's grab that way. So I have my meat. I'm going to put the drippings and that back in there because I want those. Then I have 2 quarts of beef stock here. I may need more than this, and if I do, I'll just use water. And the reason is that I'm going to be using dehydrated items to make the soup today. Oh yeah, I definitely need more than that. Okay, we'll see. Okay, so let's start here. I have my beet greens. We're gonna try and get some of that in there. And I'm gonna let this cook all day long. So that way everything has a chance to get nicely rehydrated and warmed up and cooked through. We're gonna add just the rest of that jar of cabbage. I have a feeling I have to go chase Simba out of the bathroom again. And a good amount of peas. Why? Because I really like peas. And we're going to add some carrots. And then some celery. A little more. Alright, now I'm going to add in some salt and some pepper. And that's all I'm going to add into it for right now. Oh, no, that's a lie. I have chives. Where are my chives? I'm going to add chives to it. I think you might be in my way. Let's see if I can get them without knocking you over. Nope, I can't. Okay. We're going to add a pinch of chives to that. And that's it for right now. Afterwards, when there's about 4 hours left, I'll bring you guys back because I'm going to put rice into this instead of potatoes. Hubby asked for rice. Yeah, I definitely am going to need more liquid than that. So I think I'm going to just add another jar of beef stock. I didn't realize I need quite that much extra. So I'm going to add another jar of beef stock, and I'll bring you guys back in a few hours when this is closer to being done and we're adding the rice. Alright, so it's an hour and a half until it's dinner time. And I'm about to put the rice in. I figured you guys would like to see it so far. So what do we have in here? We have cabbage, celery, peas, beet greens, carrots. Did I put anything else? Oh, chives. But you can see, I tried to zoom you up pretty close. Let's see if I can get a little. There we go. Okay. So you can see, cabbage has rehydrated up nicely. Carrots are nice. Oh, that was a beet green. Where'd it go? There you are. Okay, there's a beet green right there. Yeah, everything has rehydrated nicely, and the soup is looking amazing. And I'm going to add, oh, here, let me zoom you back out a bit. Okay, I'm going to add half a cup of rice. It's This is just a half cup brown rice that I've washed and rinsed off. Give that a stir in there. I'm going to put the lid back on, and in about an hour I'll come back and check and see how it's looking. But it should be done. So I'll be back. Okay, I'm trying to bring you in as close as I can. Look at that. Here we go. It's all done. The rice has plumped up, so I can now turn this off actually and let this sit just for a little while so it can kind of cool down a little bit, and then we're going to have dinner. So that is one way we use up all of our dehydrated items in a nice pantry meal, and something that's going to be really nice on this beautiful stormy day. So hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.